was trying to get up to this roof.
Oh come on! I just got up.
I already started, and it has literal. My mic is on.
You see that?
This will not listen.
I didn't get it.
I have a bad jump.
What's this? Oh yeah, I know this.
Girl, how did you forget?
Dude, I know joke. I watched the Master of Joke.
Who is it?
Akwi. Shut up. You called her Akwi.
You said you used to call her Queepy too.
I used to call her Akwi. I didn't used to call her Akwi. He's not a ibon, okay? He's not a ibon. Hello, Tess.
We survived. Hi, by the way, hi y'all. Even though I only have 6 subscribers.
It's okay. You will go.
Bruh. Anyways, I got I'm kind of a Chroma user, guys.
Also, this is a fake and I think.
Yeah, this is a fake. This is Xileaks MM2.
Oh my
Here,
gosh, it's so hard to get outside.
I'm gonna show you guys all my stuff here. Just pause it if you need. Are you for? I'm showing myself. Okay, never mind. It's gone.
I got sheriff.
Oh my! I want to be sheriff.
Oh my god, I'm so lucky. I hate this.
Oh my gosh, I have so much.
I do not like being lucky that much because you know me.
I don't really know that I am.
I got sheriff option.
Okay, okay, wait.
I know that area. Stay still.
Girl, I know that area too.
Hello, Bess. What's up? What's up?
I just found the murder. I forgot this.
Are they there? What's up? Miss so bad. He's a jump spammer.
He said jump spammers are a little easy.
He got cut in YouTube that face. Show her a user so he is a he's hard. Her user is hard 7878886.
Too late. Too late. Too late. I already saw the team.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's again!
I feel so weird. I feel very weird. I feel like I'm vomiting. Bessie, look at my beautiful dance.
Why am I naked?
I'm up there. I'm up. Look up.
Oh
yeah, I'm here. Oh, this is a chair. Please.
What the hell? I hate this! This game is rigged!
This is certainly like I'm the favorite.
This is favoritism! I hate this!
Girl, protect me.
Hell no, I want you to die.
You see?
I want the gun!
Let me win. I never win.
Are you sure? Oh my god. Bestie, it's a fire, so stay away from fire.
Oh no, he might be a jump spawner like the other. Is that the other girl?
I don't know.
Which one is it? Is she following us?
I don't know. She might be a ghost user, girl. This is me. I don't have fire.
Yes,
I have
know.
ghosts.
I'm hiding.
Why did you become sheriff when you're so bad at shots? You're dead. Where did it came from?
No.
The entrance way, duh.
it's 20%, girl.
It's okay. Charge it. You can use it while charging. It's okay.
What is this? Oy, may natawag sa baba. Pakinggan mo kasi. Oh no! Bestie! Please charge it! Sorry, girl, I can't make it. I can't make it.
Bestie, I'm Sheriff.
Oh, wow! You became Jerry as soon as I got... Congrats.
Bestie, stay with me. JK.
I died.
Hi.
I died by the hand. Sorry, guys.
Who is the nerd who has Corona?
Girls as well. No, wag mo na spray. Okay, okay na. This one. Baho dito. Diba? The other one is I don't like them. Good luck, girl. Oh, wait.
Yan! Napatay ka yung Sheriff!
Did you want?
No.
I love
Oh my gosh, I got to throw and kill you. I'm getting better at Girl, stop spam jumping! At this point, I'm gonna just come. Besh!
Girl, I got burned.
Get the gun if you need to. Oh, ayan. Get it. Ang tagal mo kasi.
I'll use
Kasi, kainis. Spam jumping. Bilis, ikunin mo yung...
Are you okay?
This girl spam jumping instead of getting the gun. I already went far from it. Go!
Girl, do you want to lose? You want to win. That's the only girl I probably. Oh no, there's someone else. Oh wait.
Kainis
no,
to!
No, there's someone else hacking. Sorry.
Te, ikunin mo na yung Royal kasi. Kainis. Naglalag pa ako. Galing. Yan, finally, kasi spam jumper. Kasi,
Someone is hacking the house.
what?
Yeah.
Bruh.
I don't know where she is.
I know where that place is. You can actually hack to get up there.
Okay, go there. Kill him.
I don't have the items to get up there, girl.
Then buy it.
Do you think I have enough time with 40 something seconds?
She is just... Try to get him up. Oh, we have the same dog. Wait, is that me?
No.
You know what? I'm gonna be a boy. I have to be a boy for now. I got cherry.
No, I got it!
promise. No, I'm innocent. Look, girl, look.
Okay, good.
Okay, I'll protect you, I'll try.
Girl, wait, let me check again. Okay, good. You can go now.
Come on, I'll protect you, basta.
Girl, is this
Actually,
you?
I'll just go behind you. Shoot.
Hell no.
Hey, they said shoot you.
No, I'm gonna die.
No, she's probably the bird. Girl, she's probably the bird. Shoot me. Girl, you're missing the chance. He's a hacker. Just shoot him.
Are you even mad?
Are you even sure? Girl, she's giving you probably a chance. I'm just gonna hide.
How did I? This one. I'm so lag right now.
Oh. I told you she gave you a chance. Who copied? Who are you? Congrats, you got your win by someone saying shoot this house. First ever win from Elizabeth. Are you proud?
No. Not ready.
As years passed, everything that made me fall in love with Matt turned out to be the same case as Frida.
Napakaalam eh. Alam eh, tinigap ko na. Eh, yung mga kaibigan mo dito para tumutog dyan sa iba. Gutang na yung pamilya ko, pare. Yung ginagawa ko ng paraan eh. Diba, alam mo naman yung kinakausap ko ng mga tao, magkakaroon na tayo ng regular game. Ano pa kaya sinasabi? Ito na yun. Kami kunting tiis na lang. Pwede ko ba sabihin sa akin?
I got learned.
Anak?
Please don't kill me.
Bukas yung pwede.
You first.
Next week. Next month.
Joking, I did.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Play with me with my. Oh, did you forget your record? Oh my gosh, I just saw the bird
Yeah.
in the elevator.
Oh hi y'all. Sorry viewers. I forgot. I was too into the game. Okay.
Well, I just
Drama.
saw the elevator. Where did I get camera?
Uy, huwag kayo maingay!
The other day.
Hindi pala kasi
Girl, I got killed from the elevator.
Were you sheriff?
Wait, no, he's in the theater. He's me. She looks like me. But I'm not.
Kaysa pumunta pa ako dyan.
And also,
Mamamatay na
James.
lang ako kaysa gawin yung hindi ko naman gusto.
He looks like me, girl. We have the same Ada. I killed you, girl, by his leg.
Sir, sige na naman, mabilis na po. Hi, sir, bumabara. Lapit na po dito. Zero down payment po yan, sir.
I'll tell you where she's going.
Yeah, I know.
She
She's up here.
is going at the staircase. Oh no. Yes.
Ano na utang ko sa'yo?
Yo!
Mas ko ba nakakapag-aral ko talaga? Anong
Yes.
No down payment, free selling, primo, pera.
Hindi ko pang sabihin kilala ko. Habang iniintay natin yung piplik-piplik mo. Ang level mo?
Yung panaig mo. Wait, tara, iniwan tayo. Good evening po. Saan kayong corner para sa nag-rehearsal doon? Ako tatawag sa'yo. Puro forma. Wala namang mga tenga.
Oh, why do I suddenly go? My good luck go down.
Grupo nila naman tulong. At saka mga Edgar. Pwede daw sa sipag naman mga.
Nalagay ko sa sipag nila, Jo. Maayos ba itong pwede mga yun? Hindi na pwede ko sinisinagawa ko dito. Dapat naiintindihan ko ano yung gusto ko. Diyan, di ba ganun naman dapat? Yun.
Magtatanong na lang din ako sa mga kilala ko.
Huwag na, Jo. Ako na yun. Okay, ako na yun.
Bestie, are you married?
No. I'm
Okay,
hiding.
good.
Okay,
Ay, shit.
Merry Christmas namin, no? Oo nga, pero boss, kanina ko pa sinasabi sa inyo na kahit ano, wag lang English, di ba? Ayun nga, gusto namin. O sige, pwede naman English, basta OPM artist o kaya Filipino artist, okay lang, no problem. Di ba, ano ba? Lahat. The customer is always right. At tayo may gusto nila. Dali lang ang pinapakanta sa'yo. Madali. Oo. O, hindi ikaw tumugtog. Pastos ka rin pala, sige na. Pero babalik ha? Saan ka na? George,
Ayun, Mark.
30 minutes na pwede mali, baka hindi ka umabot. Oo, aabot na. Kaya rin na.
Joe!
Ma'am, ito po yung mga nasira sa basan niya. Nasira pa sa bubukan ng balik.
Oh, yes.
Namin nasira.
So,
She's a camper.
oh, he's a camper. Galing. He's a camper. Isn't that amazing? Get it, get it! Oh my goodness.
Nico? Ay, sorry. Kailangan ko lang ito. Ayun lang. Ayun lang.
Aren't you sure this is charging or charging its opposite?
It's charging, don't worry.
Teleporter. Oh my gosh, it's such a hard. Why isn't it killing me at all? Yes, I got it back. Hi, girl.
Bestie, please let me get the gun.
No, we're not teaming.
I really want to get the gun. Go almost.
My friend, button is not working.
Yung regalo.
Powers don't work.
Kim, where are you? I'm not giving me the gun.
Wait, I'm gonna watch. Guys, I gotta go now. Bye, y'all.